We're doing something different for our 10-minute declutter today. So what I want you to bring along today is a few coat hangers. Doesn't matter what kind they are, doesn't matter if they're matching. And the other thing, the usual thing that we have, are 3 bags and boxes, 1 bag or box for the items that we are going to donate, the things that we have decided to give away, 1 bag or box for the items that we find which are going to be recycled or for the trash, and 1 bag or box for the items that we find today that are going to be put away items. So stop the video, go and grab your coat hangers. That's the main thing that you need today. Come back and then we can get into it. Diana Denmark here, rah rah rah. So you've got some coat hangers ready, check. You've got 3 bags or boxes for giveaway, recycling, put away, check. I'm doing another 10-minute declutter with you today. We are in Flylady Zone for the bedroom, the master bedroom. If you want to work in another area of the house, that is brilliant. The main thing is that you're up off your bahookie and you're working along with me. We made a pact. I'm here for you 3 times a week and you are working along with me and you're leaving a comment on every video. We're just going to look at the items, 1 item at a time, and we're going to decide, is it something we want to keep? Have we worn it recently? Is it something that we are ready to pass on to somebody else? Is it a donation? Or third option, not sure, we're going to put it on probation. What do I mean by that? Well, let me just show you. Okay, so I am reducing the amount of colours that I have in my wardrobe for 2024. I am simplifying. I'm only wearing the colours that I feel my best in, that suit me. And what I'm looking to eliminate are greens and yellows. I've already got rid of, I think, most of the browns in my wardrobe. Easy for me now to look at, okay, the greens. I haven't worn it for a very long time and it doesn't fit in with my keywords either of light, bright, chic. Straight into my bag for the next swap party. I keep a bag in the bottom of my wardrobe. I don't actually use the flimsy baskets. They make a good visual, but I don't actually use those. Oh, and I already have some items for our next swap. I'd gone through my belts. I'm not wearing brown anymore. I've got blue belts, and I've got a blue belt, and I've got some white belts. So the brown ones can go. So those were already in the bag. Oh, so nice to simplify. Right, this green sweater, on the other hand, I did enjoy wearing it once, but I think it might be a bit too overpowering and I'm not too keen on the kind of yellowy greens. And as I said, I'm not getting rid of things just for the sake of it, but if it's not something that I really, really love, it's time to put it on probation. And what I mean by putting on probation is I'm going to take my hanger, my coat hanger, that's why I asked you to bring hangers. If you're finding items in your wardrobe, looking at your outfit for the next day, because of course you're doing that, aren't you? You're following along with the Flylady morning routine or evening routine. Thinking, oh, not today for that item, not today for that item. But why are you doing that? We're putting on probation means that we are going to make ourselves wear it, because quite often when we force ourselves to wear it, we can say, oh, I know why I'm not wearing that, because it's itchy, it doesn't fit right, it doesn't work with the other things in my wardrobe, it doesn't go with anything else. Conversely, sometimes you find an item and say, oh, I should be wearing that more, I feel really good in it. So this is one which is going on probation. And at the weekend, I had a few items. These were a pair of trousers I wore yesterday, put them on probation, forced myself to wear them. And by the end of the day, I thought, oh, I just can't wait to get them off because they're too short, they don't fit right. Another set that I wore yesterday, the cardigan gets to stay for now. It's got the wee pearl buttons on it, but not the short sleeve sweater. That I can let go of. Another one from the weekend. This is a really good example of what works for me and what doesn't. This sweater, the aqua sweater, I love this sweater. No, I'm not decluttering this one. This deeper green, yeah, I'm guessing this is actually a type 3 green one. So this one can also go in the wash and off to the party. And this green, hand-me-down from my daughter. And I really enjoy wearing that one. It goes really nicely with a lot of the scarves that I've got. So this one gets to stay. And I'm not just getting rid of things for the sake of it. There are some greens that I might like. Maybe there's a yellow that I might like. I haven't worn this one for a while. No, that one can go. My whole outfit today is from one of our swap parties. This red sweater, which I really enjoy wearing, it was a dress, but I thought I'm never going to wear it as a dress, so I just cut it off shorter. My fake leather trousers, I love them. They're so comfy. They were originally black, but I painted them blue with leather paint. My simmet, my little vest underneath, I won't show you that. That was from a swap party, and my earrings. Let me grab another box. How are you doing? Right, these are my pattern sweaters. And I've discovered that I really enjoy pattern in sweaters. I never have patterned trousers. I think that's actually more of a type 3 thing, or secondary 3. You can see I love my stripes. I do love my stripes. And I've realised that, hey, it's okay to buy stripes or bring in more stripes to my wardrobe from the parties, because that's something that I enjoy wearing and I wear all the time. There's a green stripe here though. The other ones, I like all of these actually. These are all keepers, all keepers. I love my stripes. The green one, well, maybe it was the sleeves. The sleeves were a bit too kind of loose. So I took them in a bit and I put on some gold buttons. I'm just not wearing, and it's probably the green. So that one can go straight to the swap. It's all clean. Maybe I'll remove the buttons. Actually, you know what I'll do? I will remove the buttons, because I had sewn those on and I can use them on something else. So that, I'll take off the buttons. And this, as I told you, this came from one of our swaps. And I know when I wear it, you'll say, oh, I love that sweater. So it just goes to show what you can find at our swap. So that's all good. Let me grab another box. How are you doing? Winter warmers. Right, oh, actually I'm wondering about this scarf. Scarf can go as well, woohoo! Before I think, oh, decluttering. I actually enjoy decluttering now. Oh, okay, I know immediately what is going from here. Because I was trying to kind of force myself to embrace autumn. I know many of you love autumn, fall, but it's just, I just don't like the fall. And I don't like the fall colours, green and orange. And this one, I did wear it. I don't know, should I keep it? Oh, shall I keep it? No, I know what I need to do with that. I need to put it on probation. Okay, it's going on probation, maybe one last time. Maybe I'll end up keeping it, I'm not sure. Orange, okay. And what I'm hoping you will find is, by the end of our little session today, that you've got a week's worth of outfits to try. Okay, the big white sweater, I like that. The yellow one, that's going on probation as well. Or my Easter sweaters, my daughter said many, many years ago when I first bought it, because it really does look like Easter egg yellow. But I haven't worn it for a long, long time. On probation, I'll maybe wear it for like half an hour. Or maybe I'll decide that I like it, yeah. Okay, this sweater dress, yes, I still like that. And this big chunky, you know what, I love royal blue. Anybody else love royal blue? My daughter loves royal blue as well. She's a type 4 in Dressing Your Truth. And this scarf can go as well. It's just too, I'm a type 1/4 in Dressing Your Truth, which means that I like high contrast. And while this scarf, I used to wear it many years ago, I just haven't been wearing it. And I know who's going to get that immediately, because Vibeke has always said, oh, I love that scarf. Okay, Vibeke, it's coming your way. Oh, she'll be so pleased to get that. Right, that's for Vibeke. How are we doing time-wise? Let me grab one more box. This blue one came from a swap. We're on cozy jumpers. What do you get? What do you get if you cross a kangaroo and a sheep? A woolly jumper. Woohoo! This one, actually, I took it from a swap, but it's too kind of hairy. I think it's probably a mohair mix, and it keeps on ending up in my eye. So that one actually can go straight to the swap. How are you doing? Okay, the green sweater, and I know many of you love this one, but do I love this one? Guess what? It's going on probation. Yeah, I really haven't enjoyed wearing it recently, so maybe it's time to let it go. Ooh, I've got quite a few for probation now. This one I like, this one I like. And the blues, yes, yeah. So all those get taken. Can we, have you got time for one more? Yeah, because this is the last box actually. It's cardigans and anything that needs to be layered or short sleeved. So this is the one that I got the swap last week. Love this one, that's definitely a keeper. And my pink cardigan, yes. This one I got at a swap as well. I love this one too. It's really great for layering over a white blouse. So those are all keepers. The blue sweater, yeah, I'll keep that for now. Actually, I've got a white one here. Actually, it's too low in the neckline. That can just go back to the swap. It's clean. Oh, and this one, I really have tried to love this one. I think it's a mixture of things. The sweater cardigan material is too thin and the dots are just too big. No, that can go straight to the swap. I'm not even going to try that again. This one I've been avoiding for a long time. I think the colour is probably more of a type 2. Oh yes, Actually, I might offer that to Vee because she might like that. Vee, more coming your way. Bum, bum, bum. What have we got? Oh, green one. Oh, and a cardigan here. I've got the same sweater in pink. This is the pink. The green one, no, the green one can go. Woo! I don't even have to put that on probation. And a little cardigan which had belonged to my daughter. Should I keep that? No, that can go as well. I haven't worn it. And let me give you a wee look at what I took to the last swap. Skal vi bytte? In Danish that means shall we swap? Here are some of the items that I've already taken to the clothes swap by the time you see this video. The green sweater and the red and pink sweater, goodbye. We did these when we were decluttering Flylady Zone 1 earlier in the month. A sweater, you know, with one of these shawl collars, and it was just too floppy, so that is also going to the swap. This one that I had on probation didn't make it. I've been through my scarves again. I'm not wearing the greens anymore. I don't like this dark purple, and the yellows were easy to remove because I'm really not enjoying yellow in my wardrobe. And an old one, and navy scarf, yellow t-shirt, a brown sweater. I don't have any brown in my wardrobe anymore. Brown doesn't work for me. A yellow sweater. Let's get back to the things that I'm currently decluttering right here and now. Woohoo! I think we did really well in the 10 minutes. I've got things to put in the washing basket. I've got several items for probation. How many items do you have for probation? Let me know. If you're in the Southern Hemisphere, remember you were working on your summer clothes. I've got lots of things already in the bag for our next swap party. Woo! A few things for Vibeke, and I'm going to remove the buttons and keep those, and I might put them on one of my sweaters. Let's wait and see. Remember, we're not doing the whole thing here. We are just spending 10 minutes making progress, one foot in front of the other. And I shall see you back here on Wednesday, where I shall be doing a 10-minute guided clean. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the 10-minute guided declutter be with you. And I'll see you on Wednesday with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.